I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on your computer using Windows. Go to WhatsApp's official website, and there's a download button here. Click on it. WhatsAppinstaller.exe run this application. It's downloading from Microsoft Store. You can directly download from it. All right, it was easy. Let's go full screen and get started. All you need to do is go to WhatsApp. Linked devices. Link a device. Scan the QR code. It's logging in. Yeah, that's it. As you see, devices listed in Linked Devices page. You can log out whenever you want. Now you can use WhatsApp on your computer. Let's close this window. I will show you how to open it from the beginning. Click on Windows Start and search for WhatsApp. That's it. If I have been helpful, you can support me by liking the video. You can subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more educational videos. If you have something on your mind, don't forget to write in the comments below. I will be happy to answer. See you soon.